Patient relationship management was one of the critical areas for us. We were handling around 8,000 to 9,000 calls every day. Since we were using all these rudimentary systems, our contact center agents were not able to get a unified view of all this data in a single pane of glass. Selecting Persistent was one of the highlights of this entire engagement. Hi, I'm Kumar. I'm the Group Chief Information Officer at Narayana Health. Narayana Health is one of the leading healthcare providers in India. We have over 45 plus healthcare facilities. This organization was founded by Dr. Devi Shetty, the world-renowned cardiac surgeon. He has close to 4 decades of experience and has done over 120,000 surgeries. Patient relationship management was one of the critical areas for us, because if you have to offer that superlative experience and with the use of technology, then we have to be very clear on how to use this in a structured manner. So while we were using very rudimentary systems, we were handling around 8,000 to 9,000 calls every day to inquire about treatments, to booking appointments, about doctors and more. And since we were using all these rudimentary systems, our contact center agents were not able to get a unified view of all this data in a single pane of glass. The lack of visibility and also the multitude of problems that we faced in the current environment forced us to rethink how these entire systems have to be architected, because what we required was a true patient relationship management which will provide a unified view of all patient data and helps the agent to basically make informed decisions. The other key challenges that we also faced was the lack of a unified feedback collection and a complaint management system, and we were having multiple channels through which complaints were basically routed. A combination of all these factors prompted us to embark on transforming the patient experience, and we had to ensure our patients' customer experience and relationship management was on par with our treatment quality. So the first part of the problem was, from our standpoint, was the product. We identified Salesforce, which is the world's best healthcare patient relationship management / customer relationship management. But the second one was even more critical. Now you have a great product and you'll have to marry this with a great partner. Someone who has walked on that path. And what I mean to say is, somebody who's walked on, has undergone that journey and have a lot of learnings from their previous engagements with other customers too. We set forth the journey with Persistent. Some of the key outcomes of this entire exercise was, first one, appointment managements. The entire experience is very seamless from a contact center standpoint. Patient communications, we are able to send targeted patient communications completely based on the context. The third problem, from a data management standpoint, now the contact center executive is able to see all the data in a single pane, which means the patient 360 part of it, and they are able to take very informed decisions. The entire feedback data now flows into the CRM, and we are able to, so when a patient basically is calling up, we can understand whether he is a good customer or an irritated customer based on the feedbacks or the NPS scores that we have from that customer. Things like complaint management have been completely streamlined into truly omni-channel. We can now understand what are the various complaints that the patients have basically raised, how have we basically addressed them, so that we are now able to quickly flag issues and get things resolved. Some of the things that we have, the green shoots that we have actually seen was, there is an improvement in the average hold time stats that are there, average speed of answer, the turnaround time at the contact center level. The call volumes have also increased, but we are working closely with Salesforce and Persistent to articulate that business impact and present it back to our leaders. Selecting Persistent was one of the highlights of this entire engagement. Right from the word go, we were blessed with a team of business analysts and technical workforce who were mighty skilled to execute this in a seamless manner. The entire requirements management part, articulating the various user stories, sitting with each and every user, empathizing with them, understanding the problem statement, and coming up with the optimized workflow was one of the key moments in this entire engagement. And once that was actually done, and the depth of experience which Persistent basically brought to the table from a design and implementation standpoint was immeasurable. It was so valuable for us, and because of this expertise that was made readily available to us, and also with or I would say coupled with Persistent's center of excellence playing a huge part in advising us at the right points, we were able to successfully deliver this entire engagement. When we set forth our journey with Persistent, we carved out 3 phases. The first one was to transform the entire landscape, then to stabilize, and then to optimize. We have done with transform phase. We have now stabilized the platform. Now we are on this phase or stage of optimization. The next stage of the journey is on, and we are not looking Persistent as just a application support partner. They are our transformation partner for this patient relationship journey.